Greetings. We're doing a unboxing of this is a Prada bag, and we got this from Neiman Marcus. This is the Cervo Double Buckle tote bag in gray. It's a really beautiful bag. The Cervo means deer skin. It's super soft. So let's get into the box. We already have the thing open a little bit. Packaging came in pretty good. I think it was delivered by UPS. Yep, UPS, and it was delivered in a timely manner. It also has a box inside the box, so let's take this guy out. Nice gray box, and like all Prada products that are genuine, there should be a nice little bag or pouch for you to store your bag in. So make sure you keep this drawstring bag. Okay, let's look inside. This bag is not too heavy, it's quite nice, it's good size. And notice that it came in with some felt as part of the protection. Let's remove that. Very nice bag. In our next video, we're actually going to take a look inside, so stay tuned.